But why did Aden not appoint a northern prime minister? Remember, yes, I agree, there were two colonies before the Somali lands became 5. And there were political parties. Mohammed Ibrahim Igal, the leading northern Somali politician, when they went to Mogadishu in 1960, the northern members of parliament, 33 of them had a meeting in Afgoye. It's reported to me by somebody who was present in that meeting. Okay? Mohammed Ibrahim Igal, the other 32 said, where have you been? We couldn't find you. What's happening to our group as members of the new union? He got pissed off and left them. And then they split into 2. A group that began to deal with Abdirashid Ali Sharmarka as the new prime minister, and a group that followed Mohammed Ibrahim and became opposed. So if the unions, if the northerns were unified, they could have had something on the table, which they didn't. My people didn't do that. So I can't blame others for that not happening. The second thing is, this was about political parties. The most prominent person from the north was Mohammed Ibrahim Igal, no doubt about it. I'm writing a piece now showing that the reason why the Borama Conference in 1993 succeeded and stabilized and defanged SNM was none other because Mohammed Ibrahim Igal was there. There's a lot of baloney that has been written about tribal meetings, elders, all of this. I was in that meeting in Borama. If it wasn't for Igal, it would have fallen apart because he was a master politician. Okay? But he was not a member of SYL. And this was party-based democracy. Okay? When he comes to Aden, and he wants to run for Speaker of Parliament in 1965, I think it was, 66. And Igal told him, I want to switch parties to run. Aden told him, it's not honorable just to switch parties in order to join. And he ran on his own. He got 43 votes. Sheikh Mukhtar, who became a speaker from Baidawa, or actually not in Baidawa, but that region, won the election. Mohammed Ibrahim Igal, and it's in the book, comes to Aden, and he thanked Aden for advising him, and he said this was a free and fair election in parliament. So Aden made one remark in that note. Parliamentarians from the south wanted to increase the size of parliament before the next election. And Aden said, unless there is a census in the country, we are not going to do that. And if any group is going to get more MPs under your direction, it has to be for the north. So that democratic project led to Igal being clever enough and shrewd enough politician to work the system such that he became the executive prime minister of the country, not under Aden, but under Abdirashid Ali Sharmarka. If that kind of democracy was worked, and the northerners were willing to work together as a unit, I have absolutely no doubt that they would have become president and prime ministers again and again and again. But there was no political unit called the North in Mogadishu among the parliamentarians. Everybody was on his own.
Just like now.
Just like now. Thank you.